Alright, what do we got going on today? Well, it's the continuing saga of repairing this 2013 Honda CRV. Just did the rear brakes on it. All new shinies. I don't know if you guys can see it. I got you on the chest rig right now. So now we're going to move on to sway bar end link for the front. This is the one we found that was causing a rattle. So we're going to get that changed out. I'll get some tools out. I'll bring you back. What the hell is that?
Bug.
Ugh. That's disgusting.
Yeah, it's got all about it.
You gotta like actually put tools away.
Oh, are you done with that?
That one.
I'm still using it.
Alright, let's see if I got the right socket here. Nope. It's the right one for the new one. Weird. We got 18. $17. Hopefully these will come off nice. Did you turn the air off? Oh, that sucks. Oh, this end one. Lower one's gonna be a pain. Can't get. Oh man, I don't want to do this. I quit. Hmm. Oh, I don't have a 17mm ratcheting wrench. That's a fail.
18, isn't there?
Well, 18's not 17. No dice. Well, let me think about what I'm going to do here. I'll bring it back. Alright, I got it. I'm going to show you guys what I did. Hopefully you're in the shot. I can't really see. But anyway, took some little bit of spray lube, wire wheel, clean up the threads a bit. Grabbed a pair of vice grips so I could put some tension on it, and just kept working it back and forth with the impact. Finally got it. And that's just all I was doing. Goodbye. So there's that one. But this bottom one's going to be a challenge. I probably could have gotten the vice grips on the back here, but I couldn't see that at the time. Probably would have made things a lot easier. Yeah, that's why that one's bad. But this side, oh man, this side's tight. I'm not going to be able to get a impact or anything in here, and there's no way I'm going to start unbolting this crap. So yeah, I don't know. Let's see if I can figure this out. I'll bring it back. Alright, here's where we are at this point with this disaster. We got that stub cut off. Hopefully you can see that. First tried heating the nut using this induction heater buddy of mine gave to me. Yeah, got hot, still didn't want to come loose. Ended up mounting the ball out of the socket, which is fine. Went after it with a die grinder, cut off wheel, and a sawzall. So now I'm just going to use my the Big Chief with a punch. See if I can punch that out of there. And yeah, I'll bring it back. Allow me to introduce you to Big Chief. This is the persuader. Put a punch on it. So you can punch this. Oh yeah, hearing protection. It's going to be loud, really loud. Goodbye. I don't know if you were able to see any of that. I could barely see any of that, but it's out. Pain in the ass. Straighten the wheel. Got a brand new sway bar link here. I've already greased up the joints. Straight. Need a 18. Oh, I have it. I have it. You can put that one away. I'm gonna get a wrench on the back side of this thing. Not the right size. 17 millimeter. Right? Oh, no. You know what? This is a Moog part. Probably use it standard size. Let's see, whatever you want to call it. It's alright. Just needs to hold it. There's that one. We gotta go manual mode on the lower. It's like no room. Swing a freaking wrench in here. It's ridiculous. Alright, I need different tools. I'm sure I need two 18s. I only have one 18. Oh, wait, no, I don't. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's tight. Oh. I don't even have any words right now. I'm so tired. And this CRV is just being abnormally difficult. What I really need to do is stop working on cars that are more than 10 years old up here. It is not worth it. But anyway, done. Just got to get the wheels on, lugs torqued, call it a day. Call a customer, tell them get this thing out of here. But thanks for hanging again, if you did, if you made it this far. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.